Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've got what matters, an Apple ID and a data connection. First, open Settings and turn iMessage on, sign in if prompted. Once done, launch Messages and tap the Compose icon to start. Pick a contact or enter a phone number or email. Blue bubbles mean iMessage, green means SMS. Type your message, attach a photo, or tap the app drawer for GIF and stickers, then press Send. This immediate flow gets you messaging fast, while ensuring messages use Apple's encrypted service when available. Next, you'll expand what messages can do. To create a group, tap Compose, add multiple contacts, then tap the top to name or customize the group. Choose to pin or mute for quieter threads. When conversations grow, use tapback to react, swipe to reply inline, and mention someone to direct attention. For richer content, press the app drawer to share live photos, files, location, or use apps like Apple Pay. Make sure you know when blue versus green bubbles change delivery and feature availability. To wrap up, personalize messages in settings by toggling read receipts, SMS fallback, and how long history saves. Once done, enable iCloud messages to sync and back up conversations across devices. If something fails, like iMessage not activating, first restart your iPhone, check your Apple ID under Settings, and make sure iOS is current. If problems persist, sign out of iMessage and sign back in or reset network settings. These steps resolve most activation and delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.